I can't breathe. I can reach this comfort. You can stop talking. Why am I even sleep? I say listen, and you can breathe here. Please just let me